Ayan. There's is a light. This is not a sponsor. Maganda siya for when there's a brownout in the Philippines. There's no electricity. So, yun na guys, ang ganda niya. 2-in-1. Pwede mo siya gamitin pa for running. You can use this for running or if you don't have electricity. So, it's good in the Philippines. So, let's unboxing. There's three battery. AAA. Okay. Unboxing. Kamusta? Unboxing. What is inside? Let's see, guys. Let's see how it's good. Let's see here. I can stand up. Okay. So, taran! So cute. So, kailangan lang natin lagyan siya ng battery. Ayan, magnetize po siya. Pwede mo siyang isabit, you can put this in the wall. Ayan, kasi pwede mo siyang i-magnetize to be like this. Ayan, ito yung sample, There's a sample here. It's a magnetize, something magnetized. Okay, so you can do this also, guys. There's para hindi siya you can cross this and like this. I don't know, there's a battery. So, wala siyang battery. Okay. Charan! May ilaw na siya. Nag-iilaw na pala, guys. So, another light here. May light na siya. Pwede din siya dito gamitin. Ito yung light for in front. Ito naman yung sa taas. So, mas ilaw na siya. Yan sa taas niya. Maganda siya, guys. Very handy. A very handy light. If you are walking or you are running in the street there's no light yet. Ang ganda, super! Sa magnetize. You can do like this. And turn on the light, another light here. And hindi lang siya Okay, all is turned off. Ayan, may kasama na pala siyang battery. So you just change after when it's finished. Tarans! Thank you for watching.